Hello guys, welcome back to the channel tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can create an animated post for your social media in Canva. So here I start by adding a background to my Canva design. Then I'm going to just add a text in here. You can just add any text, or you can also add elements if you want. And here I'm going to change the size and also the font that I use. Okay, and after that you can just make your own editing or adjustment, but I'm going to change the font, the color of the font, and I'm going to add some effect. I'm going to use outline, then I'm going to change the color into an orange color like this. Okay, so after this, if you want to make it animated, you can just click on the elements or tags or any part of the design that you want, and then go to animate, and then here you can choose which one. There are so many options. There are also page animations, but I'm going to just use text animations. Here I'm going to try. Okay, I think I'm going to use this one. So you can also adjust. Okay, I'm going to go with this. And if you want, you can also add a page animation. Example like this. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.